Have you ever stopped to think that one of the most intimate things you can do with something is to eat it? And that what we eat links directly to the health of people, animals, and the planet? Food gives us energy, connects cultures, and supports entire economies. But the way we produce and distribute food today is straining ecosystem, driving biodiversity loss, creating health risks, and generating huge waste. Our food systems today account for roughly 26% of global greenhouse gas emissions and consume more than two-thirds of freshwater resources, and around 30% of all food produced is never eaten. At the same time, intensive livestock production drives much of the sector's climate impact, uses vast land areas for feed, and contributes to antibiotic resistance and animal welfare problems. These are not distant problems. They affect supply chains, public health, and the decisions you face at work every day. Changing this requires far more than good intentions. It requires people who understand both the science and the trade-offs, how circular systems can cut waste but may create new chemical or microbiological risks, how switching diets and crops can reduce emissions and improve public health, and how policy, technology, and business models must shift together to make healthy, sustainable food accessible. Remember, closed nutrient cycles are powerful, but without careful risk assessment, they can also become pathways for chemical contaminants and infectious microorganisms. If you already work where sustainability, food safety, and innovation intersect, or maybe want to move into that space, the International Master in Sustainable and Safe Food Production is designed for you. This 2-year research-based program run by the Technical University of Denmark in collaboration with the University of Copenhagen equips professionals to identify, assess, and manage complex trade-offs so that sustainability gains do not compromise food safety or quality. You'll learn to apply quantitative tools and risk assessment methods to real problems, reducing greenhouse gas footprints while maintaining food safety, designing circular value chains without creating new health hazards, and evaluating novel foods and technologies from, for example, insect protein and microalgae to precision fermentation and waste valorization. DTU research shows that dietary shifts and smarter production choices can cut emissions by 20 to 30% and produce significant health benefits. These are the kinds of outcomes you'll learn how to design and measure. The program is taught in English and built for working professionals, online recorded lectures with a few live sessions, flexible pacing, and the option to take single courses if you don't want the full master. Each year includes a 2 to 3 day summer school in Denmark to build your network with peers and leading researchers. Courses are led by internationally recognized lecturers from both universities, blending practical industry relevance with strong scientific foundations. Who should apply? Professionals with a relevant bachelor's degree and at least 2 years of experience in food science, technology, or related fields, and who want to steer the green transition in companies, public agencies, or research institutions. If you're ready to influence policy, redesign supply chains, or develop safer, more sustainable products, this program gives you the latest research and tools to do it. The challenges are urgent, but they are solvable, because the problems are largely man-made. From reducing livestock footprints and increasing plant-based and organic production to valorizing food residues and assessing new food sources for safety, we can design food systems that nourish people and protect the planet. Join a community of professionals learning to make those trade-offs wisely. To learn more about the curriculum, enrollment criteria, and how to apply, visit the program's website and take the next step toward shaping the future of food.